Hello, and welcome to Notary Educators. I'm Kimmi, and today I'm here to talk about our program, the Notary Mentor Program. You may know me from Notary Life with Kimmi, but today, again, I'm going to clarify what exactly is Notary Educators Notary Mentor Program. What is it? Well, it has been specifically designed for those notaries that are a little bit more experienced. They already know how to do their basic notarial duties, and now they are going next level. They are performing loan signings, or they're also doing apostille work. And they need someone just to kind of have their back as they're out there completing these more complicated assignments. That's what we're here for, to enhance on those skills. Again, if you're already a notary signing agent and you just don't know what to do or how to be successful in that arena, or if you are facilitating apostilles and you're unsure what's a Hague country, how to proceed when you have a non-Hague request, but you already have some training and some background, but you just need us to kind of help you go next level. That's what the Notary Mentor Program is designed to do. It also includes a private chat where you can drop your questions there real time as you're on assignments. Perhaps, again, you're stuck, unsure of what your next step should be, but you have already received training. That's the key. That's the main difference between the Notary Mentor Program and other programs that you may see here on the website. The Notary Mentor Program, again, is designed for those who are more experienced and need a little bit more help going next level, either in their skills as a notary or building out their business. So we just wanted to add a little clarification. You will receive real-time access and assistance while you're out on assignments is another plus of this particular program and this particular mentorship that we're offering here. So you also have the benefit of a strong community that have already been trained. They're not guessing what to do. So if you're looking for a deeper foundation, deeper roots in your notary business and want to be successful, the Notary Mentor Program is probably what you're looking for. So I want to welcome you again to Notary Educators on behalf of the team, myself, Alexis, Angela, and Jeffrey. Welcome. We got your back. Bye.